Okay, first I want to say thank you to my mentor, Alan Zenrich, for yet again taking some time off his busy day to help me set up my Halloween system with a camera. I'm using today the Lyle Jameson system. I put a webcam right here, and I have my monitor that I use for my IRDs, my remote classes, and I have Vmix in the computer. So let's say that I just move the cutter. All I gotta do is put a green screen under here. I gotta walk to the computer, press one key, and that key is gonna tell the computer to do 5 different actions. So you zoom in or show the monitor, Nick. I'm gonna press F1, and there, like magic. Now I remove the green screen, and I gotta move the tool rest. And that white thing is what's gonna give me the thickness of the cut. So now I remove it, and now I'm gonna put it inside there, and like magic, there is a picture of the cutter. Okay, I have an extra picture. I didn't put the green screen all the way. I gotta redo it. But you get the idea. Now the cutter is inside the urn, and it shows me exactly where the cutter is. Where the cutter is at all times. Back and forth. Back and forth. And there it comes out. Anyways, just wanted to show you guys that. And again, Alan, thank you very much. Aloha.